Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on newsletters on your notification settings, emails notification settings on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and here you will find notifications. Click on it, and here click email notifications, and here you will find newsletters. Just click like this and it will be turned on, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.